I'm stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Yeah. I needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess
Ito
I'm
na guys, ang
on
pinipetong
my
lunch.
way.
I will not eat rice. Ito na guys yung banana. At ayan yung sabaw sa pinakuluan kong gulay. Itong gulay na ito. Parang kalbos lang ng kamote sa atin. So, meron tayong kamatis and egg. Yung cherry tomato, parang fruits yan sa kanila. Pero pwede naman pang ulam. Yan. Ang pinaka-importante guys, quinoa ang aking substitute for rice. Okay? Kasi I feel very nice kung walang rice.
That a woman like
And guys,
you
kain po
could wait
tayo.
around for a man like